Hello, my name is Katyusha and we are talking about tantric sex. Usually when people hear about tantric sex, and especially men, they instantly think, oh, this sounds like a lot of work. Okay, so think of your life and anything great that you achieved in your life, great success, whether it's in sports or any kind of career or even the greatest love story. What did it take to achieve that level of success? Effort, focus, and presence, right? So the same thing in tantric sex. If you want to deepen your pleasure and reach new highs, yes, you would have to focus, you have to put some effort into it. But let me tell you, the results are totally worth it. So how do you start practicing tantric sex? 7 tips for beginners. Let's dive in. Number 1, intention. Why would you want to practice tantric sex? So if you have any kind of sexual dysfunction, like premature ejaculation, anorgasmia, the lack of orgasms, addiction to pornography or fantasies, tantric sex is a great way to resolve those issues. Or if you enjoy yourself sex as it is, but you think there's something more, I wonder if there is another level of ecstasy. Yes, there's always a new level of ecstasy, and tantric sex helps you to get there. Number 2, specialness, sacred space, right? So think about when you invite your lover for the first time, right? You make sure you clean up the space, you prepare the bedroom so it feels right, it smells right, and it looks right. So every time you are going to engage in tantric sex, tidy up your bedroom, light candles, bring flowers, put whatever scents you want, maybe some music, make it really special. Number 3, you go into eye gaze. I went more into detail about this step in video right here, but you're going to look at each other for 5 minutes, set the alarm, look what's underneath those eyes. This exercise creates deep connection and presence with your partner. Number 4, and this is very important, look at your partner as goddess and God. Seriously, we take things for granted. One of the reasons sex goes out the door in the relationship because people take each other for granted. They think that this person is going to be there the next day. Now stop and ask yourself again, are you sure about that? We forget that the person next to us who was willingly decided to spend the rest of his or her life with you is a absolutely unique human being, unique universe. We forget about it. Now imagine your best client. When you go and meet your best client, you do what? You put your best foot forward to you. You put your best suit. You're fully present, right? Your eyes are open. You're alert. You want his money. You want to do business with him, right? So you fully show up. So as Esther Perel says, treat your partner as your best client, or treat your partner as goddess. See the goddess and God within them. Number 5, presence. When you enter that bedroom, leave everything outside, all of your problems, all of your contemplation, worries, or future planning outside of the bedroom. Be fully present. Your focus is on your partner and on your body sensations. Number 6, we're going to synchronize our breath. You and your partner are going to breathe in sync, in and out of your mouth or nose, but just the same way at the same time. So breathe all the way down to your genitals together. You can look at each other, you can close your eyes. The thing is to keep breathing and being aware of your partner's breathing. So now breath puts your brain online, your subconscious and conscious brain online. It gets your heart rate up, and so that brings us to number 7. You're going to move into lovemaking. Follow your instincts. If that breath awoken this primal nature in you, or you're going to follow that instinct and crazily, animalistically make love to each other. Or it can be soft and sweet vanilla sex, or it can be energetic love making. follow your instincts, trust yourself, focus on the sensations of the body. Thank you so much for being here. Please hit that like. I love when you subscribe. I love when you share. I love when you ask me questions in the comments below. Check out my free offerings. You'll find the links down below. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.